The Bondo into this fender as much as I care to put it in. Looks all right. Put our first coat of paint on it and see what we end up with. All right, we got her all painted up. That's, I don't know, 30 footer, I'd say. Say the